I guess so.
It's on? Okay, so welcome to North Chickamauga Creek here. This is near Soddy Daisy, and this is a very well-known stream for a lot of reasons. It's very popular with recreationists. If you cross the stream here and go up a couple hundred yards, you're at one of the infamous blue holes that's found around here. We're in the Cumberland Plateau ecosystem in the lower slope. This is part of Walden's Ridge, which is an extension of the plateau. So we have sandstone up here on the high ground, and as it drops down and cuts deeper in, we get into limestone. So we're going to be doing some benthic zone stream surveying for macroinvertebrates. So the benthic zone is basically what you see kind of right here, where the bottom of the water column is reaching soil and rock and sand. And as you can see around here, it's a lot of rock. So, as is typical in mountain streams. And so what are macroinvertebrates? Well, these are small invertebrate animals that are still visible to the eye. And a lot of them are going to be larval stages of well-known flies like stoneflies and caddisflies, crayfish, as well as other things such as midges and other invertebrates. And these are often used as bioindicators of stream quality. And how that works in grading a stream as having high or moderate or low is complex, and as in many things in the modern world, is statistical. So we are going to be sampling for what we can find with what we call a kick net, and assign what we catch according to its family or order that it belongs to, getting down to the individual species levels beyond the scope of this. But when we get sort of a composite value at biodiversity index of these species, both the range of species, the number of them, and what species tend to predominate tells us something about the health of the stream. Traditionally, scientists have looked at streams that had high numbers of things like stoneflies and mayflies as being indicators of good stream quality, whereas things that more like worms and midges and leeches tended to be more characteristic of cloudier, more polluted water. But it's not quite as simple as that. But we're going to go and see how we go about getting some basic samples that follows more or less what is used by stream ecologists. So let's get started.